Hello, ma'am. May I come in?
Yes, yes, of course. Please sit.
Comfortable.
I can tell you, I'm been dying to make bodies and look at your body. Sir, please suggest me because the situation is very bad because whenever I go out, I go with my friends and look at my friends and look at their body, but I have nothing. So I just wanted to make body. I have visited a lot of gyms and whatever they do, they will do like this, they will do like this, but we don't get results. So how is the crowd? You understood, right? I'm talking about crowd.
If you want to make a body, don't go come from like if you are girls staying at home.
But come on, sir. We get motivation from crowd only. If I see someone, I'll be doing 20 instead of 10. I swear, boys do like this.
When I'm free, when I'm doing nothing, I just waste my time. I just waste my time by.
You know, he's very bad. He's doing very bad things and taking drugs and all.
सरप्राइज हो सकते हैं आप यू कैन बी सरप्राइज that was a chalk we were playing at ground from the chalk powder
Sony Max जो दीवाना बना दे The Shrine of English जो अच्छी इंग्लिश सिखा दे To join our online English classes for basic and advanced call on these numbers.
So hello guys, my name is Divesh and currently I am pursuing BA Vocational Material Management course from CBS DU and also I am preparing for SSC and recently I had given Delhi Police Constable exam but I rejected by 5 marks because of my GK. My GK is not good and also and now I am doing hard working on my this field. So this is my short intro. Thank you. And today I will play a role of teacher.
So hello everyone. My name is Praveen and I am a civil engineer. I am preparing for UPSC and through the UPSC I will selected for IES Indian Engineering Exam and I love to be a student. Being a student, I can learn so many things. So I love to be a student. So I'm gonna play the role of a student, and my hobbies are listening music, and that's it. Thank you.
Hello friend, my name is Wasim Siddiqui, and I'm basically belongs from UP Bulandshahr, and I was born in Delhi. My parents belong to that, and about my qualification, I completed my BSc Maths Honours from Jamia, and I completed my BEd this year in Mathematics and Science, and recently I'm pursuing MSc Maths from IGNOU due to the time problem. And about my hobbies are listening ghazals and all.
So first conversation will take place between father and teacher.
And can I interrupt at that?
No. You don't have to interrupt. There will be a time that you will come in the middle.
Should I use the hands also?
No. After those things, that is why I was thinking not to let you come. We have to maintain the decorum. Decorum? What's the meaning of decorum? मर्यादा. मतलब ऐसा ना हो कि चाटे धर दें आपको और आप ये सब नहीं करते हैं. हमें हमारा आइडिया है कॉन्वर्सेशन, आर्ग्यूमेंट्स करना है, and of course we have to maintain the decorum of it. Okay, so first you will start. And of course you are there, means you will also be from the beginning only.
Hello, good morning. Hello, sir. So please come and sit.
Okay.
You want water?
No,
anything else?
No, sir. Thank you so much. I don't know if I don't need anything. Please, could you define what
Yes.
what was the going in
That's
that?
why I call you to come in school. So you know he's very bad. He's doing very bad things and taking drugs and all.
सरप्राइज हो सकते हैं आप. You can be surprised.
You know that? What are you doing?
You are saying my child is taking drugs
Yes.
in your school.
Yes.
It is the fault of your school.
His friend is taking drugs.
If someone is taking the drugs in your school, what is the fault? Whose fault is this?
Not mine.
Whose fault is this?
Not
You are
mine.
not checking the bags and
Because
all.
I am not a
And
principal.
students-
I am not a principal of this school. I am a teacher of this.
So you should complain to the
My
principal.
job is to teach the students,
Then
not is to check
exactly,
the bags
but you
of
should
the-
also complain to the principal on your
I had
management that
complained.
students are taking drugs and all and
I
cigarettes.
had complained about this, but it
So
is
what is
my
the-
duty
what
also
is the
to
action?
tell you about your student is
You
taking
complain.
drugs.
You complain. And what is the action of your school about this?
Rusticate.
Rusticate.
Okay, you are going to rusticate the child. Yes. We don't want this type of children in our school. So, you want to say anything?
That was a chalk. We were playing at ground from the chalk powder.
That was a chalk powder. But we sent them to a doctor. He said this is drugs.
Sir, he's lying, sir.
You can say.
You can see my face. I am so innocent.
I can see your hairstyle by this. I can judge your hairstyle.
You have no right to judge any student for its
You are taking
hairstyle.
side of your student.
I say student, not
Sorry,
it's my child. Your student.
You are taking side of your child. This will harm you in future. You know that.
I'm not harming in future. I'm myself a teacher. How can I harm my?
You are teacher.
इस बात पे भी बात हो सकती
That
है.
he is lying.
I know.
He's not a
I
good
know.
teacher.
I'm taking care of it.
Wait for a minute. What do you want to say about your student?
Child.
Child. What do you want to say about your child? Which type of person he is?
He is the most bashful, shy kind of a child. He don't know how to take these kinds of things. Even he can't imagine of these kinds of things.
Okay.
So how he can take? And you are talking about the drugs and all. He was just saying,
But
that you should confirm.
Okay.
You should confirm before it that you were saying about this. It can be too dangerous for your personality of your schools or image of your school. So you should think about it before saying it in anyone.
Now,
If you are
I
saying,
can speak.
Sure.
Okay. So firstly, I want to tell you few things about your student.
About your kid.
Your son. About your son. Whenever he is in class, he
Tease.
he teases other girls, other boys. What do you want to say about this thing?
But
You
that
can
you can
say-
see my marks. I'm a
His
topper of
marks
class.
is how many? You are lying. I am your teacher. I check your copies. How can you say you top in
I
this
top
subject?
He
in
is
this
just in
subject.
second class. Second class, you a girl.
This boy is not like a second class.
Papa, you forgot I'm in 10th.
He has given it in his face. I think he failed many times. That's why in second class. That's why I'm telling you should giving response to your.
Sir, I have beard because doctor told me that if you shave your beard, your skin will be dry and you can see
give
me.
me a number
How
of
it is.
that doctor.
Yeah, I can see you. I can
Stop
see you
this
the
shit. Why are you
number.
talking about these beards and all? We are just
So,
talking about other
okay.
things.
Come to the point.
He's just second class. How can you tease the girls? You know about
How
it.
can you say he's second class?
He's in second class.
He is in 10th class. That's why.
Don't argue on the facts.
Sir,
Listen,
sir,
listen.
we are-
Don't argue on the facts. Take the facts as a fact and then create the question.
Yeah,
Around that
based
fact.
on
We are.
अब इस बात पे 10वीं और 2
Yeah, it's okay.
मैं तो रोटी खराब कर रहा
Second class में तो फिर कुछ बात ही नहीं
अगर उन्होंने कह दिया he's in second तो आप भी उसे 10th में मतलब आप second के हिसाब से treat करो
Second।
obvious है उस situation
मैंने
को
मुंह में अंगूठा डाला।
situation इसमें क्या होता है कि जो सामने वाला बोल रहा है ना हमें उसी हिसाब से अपनी conversation को mold करना होता है
वरना समझ नहीं आ रहा ड्रग्स बोले थे कि तो
एंड में ये पता लगा टीचर ही ड्रग्स ले रहा है
So, okay.
But
He is in second class. My fault.
You should accept.
So, I want to ask few questions of second class to your son. So this will explain about your son, which type of your son means, which type of person you are. He's a good student or a bad student.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
So can you telling who is the PM of India?
Sir, our PM of India is Prime Minister of Narendra Modi is our President of
Mr. Narendra.
No, sorry, Prime Minister of India.
Okay. You can tell Defense Minister of India.
Sir, I forgot, sir, who is the Defense Minister of our
Don't
India.
worry. So I want to ask you a very simple question of speaking.
This is parents teacher meeting, and you are asking the question.
I am coming on you also.
Wait. There are not so much time that we are communicating this kinds of thing. So he is just giving answer to your question. It is not an exam that you will have.
But
to
I
attend
prove
the
these
exam.
things.
Let
You
me
not
just-
agree.
Being
You
a
not
teacher-
agree with my perceptions now.
Okay, let me complete it. Being a teacher, you should know the responsibility of the teacher while you are having a class in your classroom, that how the behavior should be with the teacher, with the students, and you are just dominating types of nature.
Yes, I have this type of nature.
Sir, that is a liar, sir.
Yes,
I'm telling you.
absolutely, I know.
I completed
know
my
this.
whole homework in
Wait.
classroom.
I want to ask few questions. One question.
He has completed all his notebooks. His marks are not so bad. Good.
Okay.
And you are just escaping yourself by your fault from your
It
fault.
means you are taking side of your children.
I will take the side of my children. because
I
my
want to say
children-
many times it will harm you in your future. This will
I-
give you damage.
No. I am saying I myself.
You can take side of your teacher, but my responsibility is that I have to tell you all things what he do in school. So it is my duty, and I have done this. And now you can take action or not take action. It's your responsibility.
That if he ask anything about anything in the world, I can give answer. Ask me anything.
Okay, now you have very much knowledge
Yes, sir.
because of your dad.
I'm in second class, sir.
So I am asking very simple questions.
Yeah, ask me anything.
I had asked being a primary teacher, you should be soft, kind-hearted person.
What can I do? I have this type of nature. God,
You
gives
should,
this
you
type of
should be restricted from the school. Now I have to open my mouth.
Principal is giving me a best teacher award.
So
That principal teacher.
I think you should take away your children from this school.
you may have some fraud degrees or from diplomas.
You
and
can check.
taking
You can
the
check.
personality-
You can check it. I can give you my all the degrees.
As this kind of personality you are having,
Okay.
it is not the personality of the teacher. If you are a teacher of a primary school, you should be soft and.
So what can I do? God give me this type of nature. I am not that much type of teacher. I am showing opposite of my personality.
You are-
As I am showing in front of you.
That whenever he comes in class, he always use the phone. Never teach us about anything. He's a teacher of English, but he never taught us any single word of English.
I can easily map.
Okay, I will tell you
I want to
tomorrow
change.
class. I will tell you tomorrow
I
class.
want to change this school. That I don't want to be here.
Knock knock.
Hello sir, how are you? Sir, you don't know how many times I've called you to, and you didn't even pick my call.
I've been busy to coaching my students.
I can tell you, I'm been dying to make bodies and look at your body. Sir, please suggest me because the situation is very bad because whenever I go out, I go with my friends and look at my friends and look at their body, but I have nothing. So I just wanted to make body. So sir, suggest me something because I have been dying to do it.
So we are planning to to make a bodybuilding in 1 day, 2 days, and months and to. And I have to also did a gym like past in another gyms.
Sir, I can totally understand. I do understand that it's not something that yes, I'll get it done within 3 months or 4 months. So you can take your time, but I need the results, sir. Because I have visited a lot of gyms and whatever they will do like this, they will do like this, but we don't get results. So that's what my concern is. I want my body. Nothing else.
The gym takes a time, just minimum 1 year to make a good body. And if you go to a natural, it takes too much time, and because we see that too much people come and take steroid and drink gainer, and this is not make a good body. This will be go natural body, and it take time, but have patience and do take tension. Like I want see to another people, they say he has a good body and good abs, and don't see that people that people takes too much time to take at that level. So have patience, and you just want to start a gym that come from that. I'm also starting from today. If you have
Definitely, but sir, can I ask you a personal question?
yes.
Sir, how is the crowd? You understood, right? I'm talking about crowd.
If you want to make a body, don't come from like if you are girls staying.
But sir, but come on, sir. We get motivation from crowd only. If I see someone, I'll be doing 20 instead of 10. I swear, boys do like this, sir.
Never.
So how is the crowd?
If you go with that crowd, you never make that body. You
Carry on.
never make a good body because you think that girls will come and class, gym. Then you start a push up and take.
It
too
means
much
girls
weight.
are there, right?
No. If you want a good body, then you don't see the girls and you come for gym and do push-ups and want to gym like a chest, want to do chest and see that girl was standing here. Then you put on too much weight, and if you suddenly it fell down and you get
Sir, forget about everything. I'm not getting into that. So tell me one thing. I want to make a body wherein I can ride a bullet, which is of everyone's dream. Like every youth wants to ride a bullet. So I have decided to buy a bullet, and I want a body where I can sit and at least girls are not laughing at me. So they should not say like this. So
then give me 50,000 rupees, then I give you in a month. Then I have to go for a bullet like a good body and back and good chest and biceps. Then also girls will see you. Then you go in a bullet.
you are talking the same way like one day it was written that 3 दिन में अंग्रेजी speak ना सीखे. So it's not possible. You are asking me to give it 50,000. What's the guarantee that I will get my body?
I give you guarantee.
What kind of guarantee you have?
You have good look good on a bullet, and you have good back, and I also give you steroid.
Okay, sir. I'm sir, the most important thing, sir. Frankly, I'm telling you, I don't have that much money to spend. Could you please do something? Because I really want to make my body, and I am very serious about it. I will make my body, and I will give my 100% to it, and I will do it dedicatedly. However, I have less money. I cannot spend this much money because I have to run my family.
Then you naturally, and if you are a carnivorous person or veg and non-veg person,
I am a non-veg person since I belong to
then
West
it's
Bengal.
good for you, and you can eat chicken and beef and everything.
So can I eat momos?
No.
Sir, I am telling you, I cannot live without momos. I don't know why, but can I eat it once in a week? Sir, please. Once in a week.
Like Sunday is a cheat day. You can eat all things.
So what is cheat day basically? Because on cheat day, what can we do? I don't understand. People do post on Instagram, Facebook. Today is my cheat day. I can do whatever I want. But what's basically cheat day is about?
Cheat day about is like you can eat anything like momos. Like if you talk about like Chinese apple, you can eat on Sunday. Like basically, yes, we cannot do gym and because it's good for us. Like we can gain our carbs. That is good for us and we gain and
That's wonderful.
My hobby is to dance. Basically I live in a joint family. My father name is Vijay Kumar Yadav. He is a businessman. I have one younger brother. He is student. My short-term goal is to do a job in MNCs or embassies. My long-term goal is to become a businesswoman. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Savanas. I am in 11th class. Now, my hobbies are dancing, singing and acting too. So, today I am going to play a role of customer.
Customer. First say Mark.
Hello everyone, my name is Aniket. You can call me Tekina as well. Say Tekina. Tekina. You just pronounce my name backwardly. Tekina.
Oh, wow.
Tekina. Congratulations. You just pronounce my name backwardly without knowing it. So yeah, I'm pursuing bachelor's in computer applications from Jamia Ahmedabad University, and when I'm free, when I'm doing nothing, I just waste my time. I just waste my time by surfing on YouTube, watching reels, and when I'm bored by wasting so much time, I read books, I play football, I watch movies and all.
So I'm going to play a role of a customer. Okay. So imagine you are there and feel confident. You have already seen the guys how they are. आप इसके थ्रू बहुत सारी दूसरी भी बातें कर सकते हैं पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ों की जरूरत है. स्टार्ट नाउ. How you can start. How can I help you?
So how can I help you?
Yeah, I'm Aniket. I want to look myself, more beautiful. It's been almost 10 years. I dated so many girls, but everyone rejected me on my looks. They say your nose is big, your
So
you
you
are
need a
not.
surgery of nose.
But there I will go to a surgeon for that. But some girls says your eyebrows are not good. You should trim your hairs. You should trim your beard. You will look good and all.
I do all things for girls only, not for you.
Yeah, because I want a girl. I don't want anyone. Yeah.
So I suggest you make your eyebrow.
Okay.
Okay. And you need a hair spa. You need a rebonding of hairs. But it's not good. If I personally suggest you, it's not good for hairs. But if you need, you can.
If I take a session from you, I'm gonna propose. You have to go with me on date. And if you pass me, I'll think that you did a good job.
But it's not compulsory, na? So I like you or not.
So just
And it has to be little professional also.
Yeah, not personal.
But not personal. Make it a professional conversation.
So I want my eyebrows done.
Okay. And you need a hair spa rebonding.
Okay. And what else you think that I should do?
If you do a swimming, so you can wax your hairs. Legs or hands.
What's the relation between swimming and waxing?
You look good now.
So
You show to girls, so they also
I
get
will
hairs
wear
now.
clothes
Shoot.
in front of them. I'll not go.
So what?
You tell me what should I do to look more good?
Think of ideas, different ideas you have. Like you can ask
So you need facial,
Okay, facial.
you need eyebrows,
Eyebrows.
rebonding,
What's rebonding? I never done that rebonding. What's done?
You want to straighten your hairs, but you need that type of products. Okay, in 1 month you need hair spa.
Okay.
Okay, and
And then
you use shampoo of that body products.
and what else?
But you really take care of yours.
How can I do that? I use shampoo.
Conditioner of rebonding products, not any other else.
Okay. So okay. I should use and what you will do my eyebrows and hairs and what else? Wax. And what else? Like beard or something?
I'm not making a beard now.
Okay, how much this will all cost?
If you do rebonding, you need 5,000.
But
It's costly, na?
it's not cost, it's expensive.
You really did good. You propose girls, so you should do this. And eyebrows and wax. 1500.
1500 for 2 things and 500 for 1 thing.
5000.
5000, sorry.
Yes, you need hair spa. I use shampoo.
You use shampoo, I don't. I use it.
In your hair.
So here we put the entry of a girl also. Okay, another one is coming, so you can come from there. And I want like you can also start your discussions.
Hello. See my hairs. I have 2 modes in my hair. In one ear. Do trimming measures. Yeah, that's why I come here. Please do it.
Loud.
And please see my face. I have so many pimples. How much can I do for it? You need a cream. I need cream. Which cream? Himalayan. Which Himalayan cream? Can you please? I need very badly. You need cream of Himalayan name. And you need face wash of name Himalayan. You used it? You used before? So why are you saying to me? You should use first because I don't have pimples now. So why? Maybe it can be side effect for me. No. I want you to try first. But I can't. I don't use Himalayan face wash. I don't know. I think it can be a side effect for me. It's okay if you. Have you ever done to the other girls? I suggest for other girls also. Call her. I want to talk to her. They are not free now. You're not free now? Yes. So okay, she is not free. So I can do more pimples in my face by putting that cream on my face. Not cream. It's really good. It's really good. If you have a side effect on it, you do customer care service, you have a complaint on that. Okay, so what can I do for my hairs? You should trim because your hairs is really good, you don't need rebonding. No, whenever I open it, it's be like this. I don't know why it is be like this. So you can do smoothing. Okay, smoothing and just smoothing, but whenever one time I do a smoothing and it's like burned here, just here. And so sorry. No, you have to do a pressing, not a smoothing. Pressing? You do your hairs pressing, and that's why it's look like a burn here. No, I didn't do. I take smoothing. So what can I do? You don't go on a good shop, good parlor. That's why you look your hairs look like a burn. So you think it is good? Yes. Really good. Okay.
Wonderful. Okay, so guys, we have seen
UX designer. I'm doing full-time job in MACMA India, and as far as my hobbies are concerned, so I like to make mandalas and I like also dancing. And I have done my graduation from DU, and I have also done designing course from Arena Animation, which is graphic and web designing and development. So this is all about me, and I'm playing the role of HR.
Hello everyone, I'm Suman and I'm a student. Now I want job, so I'm going to play a role which is a job seeker.
very good. Job seeker, very nice word. Yes, yes.
Hey guys, I am Aryan and I am reading a 9th class and now I will get admission in the Hari Vidya Bhavan school, and now I am coming here for playing a role of taking a job in the company, in the multinational company. So that's
So
it.
first you start. Okay, आप थोड़ा सा अभी yes, very good. Hello, ma'am.
Little bit.
Hello, please sit.
Hello, ma'am. May I come in?
Yes, yes, of course. Please sit.
Uh,
Make yourself comfortable.
okay, so I am coming here for taking a job.
Yeah, I know. I go through your resume and I like your portfolio a lot. So you are here and first we will take your HR round, then there is technical round, and there is, if you pass both of that, then there is conversation between you and the founder. So, do you get it process?
Yes, I am ready.
So, can you give a brief about yourself?
If I am telling about confidence employee like and I am ready to get a job in any company, like I never fear that how what is the so I will take my future on the top of the ladder. That's why I come here.
Okay, so as you said, you know in each company there is team members, a lot of team members, and you have to work with team members. You are not working alone, individually. So you have to coordinate and each and everything. Listen, sometimes what happens, the other team member said something to you about work, and some employee get offended and they are like making excuses. My role is not for this and that. In each and every company, there is some work which is not related to their profile. But 1 and 2 days in a week, they have to do that. So how do you see this situation?
According to me, every person have a different personalities. So according to me, I will handle them all because I will maybe a leader of them, and I will be a coordinate according to their choices. Because if a leader wants to do his leadership, so he also wants to like take a decision of every person, of every employee in the companies. So according to me, I will handle off all them.
Okay, nice. So why do you leave your past job?
Because the salary was less. That's why I left.
So what's you want in salary?
According to me, according to my experience, according to my work.
According to your work. So you have like certain amount, so we can judge you.
Yeah.
As every employee have like, I want to have a salary about package about 5 to 6 lakh per annum. So what do you think about?
So according to me, in the beginning, you can give me some less money by the C of my work, and in the continuing years, in the coming years, you can give me money like salary on the basis of my work.
So in your past job, what work do you done?
I did work of data.
Data entry.
Yes, data entry.
So do you make MSQL and this sheet?
Yeah, this type of things I can do in the MS Excel and the PowerPoint. This type of things I had done, and I have also certificate of basic things of the computers like MS Excel, typing master. It is a work of my left hand.
So can you provide number to your colleague or some reference so I can ask to him what about your work, because I want to ensure you are good fit for my company.
So I will give you their numbers, and first of all you can choose randomly, because if you think that I give them a copyright, like first read these lines and they said to the manager of HR, so you can choose randomly and by the height.
So we will give you a case study in which you have to make a PowerPoint or something like that, and you have to ask, and in this hour you have to make each and everything and present that in correct manner, and then our technical manager will see you, and they will I'll get feedback from him.
Okay.
And then I'll
we
tell
have
you.
one more person. Okay. Yes.
Hello, how are you? Fine. Please sit, make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
So, do you want drink or something? You are feeling so hesitated. So,
Thank you for asking.
so I go
Bit
through
loud,
your
dear.
resume.
Loud, speak loud.
So I go through your resume and I like your portfolio and I see yourself a good fit for designer role. And can you give a brief about yourself?
My name is Suman and recently I completed my graduation from chemistry in IIT. And I also done recently I work on Jack, which is a earning platform in which I have to solve questions and earn money. And I also work with RHA. RHA is Robin Hood Army, in which we provide foods to the homeless people, surplus food, and we collect this food from restaurant, weddings and parties and provide them. The people who don't know whether the next food will come or not. And every Sunday I'll go there, but today I didn't come there because of the class.
Okay, so I like your work and whatever you do for charity, and this is very great work. And in our company there is some amount we provide to this association. So as I tell you, you are for the role of designer. Can I see your portfolio? Have you have any name or profile?
No, I don't know about designing. Actually, I'm a fresher, so I don't know about that.
Okay, do you so you are fresher. So can I see your work?
As I said, I'm a fresher. I work on labs and labs like with chemicals. So I can do job like chemicals, research like that.
So you came here for internship. So we are providing 6-month internship where you have to like which you want in lab kind of thing. So we will provide this thing and take you go through with this, and I explain the whole process with you. There is one is HR round, then technical round, and then we had if you pass both of that, then we had a conversation with founder and you. If they pass you, and then we will hire you. So you got it, the process?
Yeah.
So like many fresher come and they are like very hesitated and they are like not, their goal is like they want to go there. They are always like, I want to know, you want to really pursue this career, or how long you want to do this?
Just as I said, I'm a fresher, so I want to do a job with match with my choices, so that I can gain experience. So
sometimes what happens sometimes in your role, so there is not all the things going with your choices. Sometimes what happens, your manager tells you to do this work and you don't like it, but you have to do. So how do you tackle this situation?
If I don't like some work, if I don't like some work, and my manager said me to do that, I'll do that. Because I'm a junior and he's my senior, so I have to do all the things which is related to my work. They said to me.
So are you doing that work because manager told you, or are you doing in that way I want to learn and that will help me to grow in my career?
Yeah, I do that thing because of I want to learn. More I do things, more I learn. So whatever work they'll do to me, which is related to my work, I'll definitely do that.
Okay.
That's it.
Very well.